Hello everyone, this is Noor welcoming you all to my channel Lightly Noor. I carry 6 plus years of corporate experience, and in this channel I talk about IT news and updates, job and interview tips, life and lifestyle lessons. So if you are interested in any of these, then consider subscribing to my channel. So this video is going to be about a programming language which is getting a lot of popularity in 2023. Yes, you guessed it right. It's about Python. In 2023, you cannot be a software developer if you don't know Python. In this video, I am going to discuss top 5 free Python courses for the beginners and the intermediate level. So stay tuned on this video and watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important point. Python is a must-have in 2023 because of its versatility. Most of the startups which are product-based have built their app on the foundation of Python. Hence, it is gaining all the popularity because of its versatile nature. It can be used in variety of tasks from software development to data scientist. So if you do not know about this language yet, then it's the right time to learn a new skill. So the first one which I have curated for you is Python for Beginners, sponsored by Microsoft. This course is for the beginners and it is just a 4 hours course. In this course, you will learn the skill of Python, Jupyter Notebook, Visual Studio, programming, coding, Visual Studio Code, and installations. There is no such eligibility criteria for taking up this course. So even if you do not have any prior knowledge, you can explore this course. I'll put the link of all these courses which I'm discussing on this video in the description of the video. So please do not miss to check out the description. The second one which I have for you is Introduction to Python by Allison. In this course, you will learn the skill of Python debugging, web technologies, coding, data processing, web application, and programming. This is an introductory course to Python and takes you step by step through the process of creating functions, scripts using Python. This is again an online self-study course of 3 hours, and you will get a certification from Allison once you complete the course. The course has several other modules which you can check it out using the link which I'll be providing in the description box. The third I have for you is PSEP, which is Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer. Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer certification shows that the individual is familiar with universal computer programming concepts like data types, containers, functions, condition loops, as well as Python programming language, syntax, semantics, and the runtime environment. This course is lengthier than the other two. It is a 42 hours course. It is an online self-study course and it is for the beginners. This course again has a certification. If you are able to successfully complete the course, you will get a certificate. Fourth which I have for you is Python programming course by Learn1. This is a free Python course with certificate from National Skill Development Corporation. The highlights of this course is there are 45 downloadable resources and 35 articles. You can prepare for a job role for Python developer, software developer, Flash developer, programmer, software engineer, and so on. It is again an online self-study course for the beginners, and the course duration is also only of 9 hours. The fifth and the final one which I have for you is Python 3 Programming Specialization by Coursera. This course is for the intermediate level. So if you already know the basics of Python, then you can opt in for this course. The certificate of this course is given by University of Michigan. Some of the key features of this course is you will learn how to inspect and understand APIs and third-party libraries to be used with Python 3. The important skill which you will learn in this course is OpenCV, computer vision, OCR, open source data collection, programming, Lambda expressions, debugging. One important point which I want to highlight for this course is that although the course is free, you can enroll it for free and learn everything for free. But if you want to get a certification, then you need to write a certification exam, and for that you need to pay. So once you have completed the course and you want to get a certification from University of Michigan, then you need to pay and give a certification examination, and if you are able to pass that examination, you will get a certificate. But even if you do not want a certification, the knowledge which you are gaining for free is still worth. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope this video was informative. If yes, then smash that like button so that it helps the video reach to a larger audience, and consider subscribing to my channel if you like watching me speak. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, good luck and stay tuned.